It's okay. We're okay. Let's just say that. I'll catch you guys on the next one though. That was how loud the alarm was, and that was how I ate shit for the 5th time. Probably 4th, but it's okay. Hopefully you guys can't hear the music, but so today's gonna be the first day that I actually take it out somewhere, and I'm gonna show you guys the little security system that I got for it. Basically just to take it places. Obviously it's not gonna protect it all the way, but it'll take care of it for, you know, as much as... Oh, actually we're at a very steep angle right here. So basically I bought like a little lock for it that goes on the tires, and I'm actually headed to the gym right now, but my wife feels better if I wear jeans. Obviously it doesn't protect me from an accident, but damn, it's hot as hell actually. But it'll, you know, have some kind of protection, makes you feel better. I bought knee protection too. I haven't bought like actual like riding pants because I spent a pretty penny on this bike and everything. So yeah, I spent a pretty penny on this bike. If you guys didn't know, I actually bought this shit cash. So I don't have fucking payments. I don't got none of that shit. And then again, I had to buy all my gear. I wanted to buy good riding gear too. So yeah, we're doing all our stops today just because I gotta get used to everything. Feel me? But yeah, so I'm taking it to the gym today, which is exciting, very exciting for me at least. This is the first time I'm actually taking it to a place, although the gym is not far from me. It's something that I'm doing for the first time, so and by myself, so oh, fuck me. Oh, we are definitely at an angle right here. See? Gotta feel good under pressure for everything. Because if I were to be scared of what just happened, I could have literally ate it right there. And then, so it happens that you stall every so often, but just try to stay calm and everything. At least that's what I try to do as much as I can, you know, because obviously I'm not a pro or anything like that. But I try not to freak out, because I feel like when you freak out, it could be like the worst situation possible. So I try as much as I can to not do that. And yeah, you know, be safe, have fun, live your life. That's how I feel about things. I'm just going the speed limit, just because I don't have insurance yet, and I don't even have my motorcycle license, so I don't want to fucking risk it and get pulled over for being stupid. And literally the police station is right there, so gotta be smart. And I'm literally on my fucking tippy toes. Everybody drives fucking stupid here, so gotta be fucking smart. And there's hella potholes over here. So fucking hate neutral. I'm gonna park right here. I'm gonna park right here. So that's it. We got here already. And that's what counts. I'm just gonna back it up because I'm fucking dumb. And my tippy toes, I can't back this shit up on tippy toes. Park right there. This is what we're listening to though, but I have the lock in here. Sorry for my breathing heavy. I'm still getting used to the helmet. Huh? She's nice, huh? I know. Huh? What? I can't hear you.
She just repeated what I told you.
Oh, I still can't hear her. What?
You can grab the keys if you want to go in.
Oh, I still have to put this on.
Are you going to work out up here? Yeah, I'm going to work out.
Nah, she just came to supervise me.
Yeah, I don't know.
This, well. So, this little key right here unlocks it. And then it goes in here. I'm pretty sure I would actually just oh, you know what I didn't take out? Actually, hold up. Let me see. Where are my keys? Oh, it's on the floor. Hold up. Right there. Boom. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's supposedly it's super loud. Yeah. Should I try it? To hear it? See how loud it is. Did I put it on right? Hold on, let me see. Because it has an app. It's Bluetooth or something. So she literally just like walked past it and it turned on. That's how loud it is. It's actually loud as hell. Yeah. So I'm kind of scared right now, actually, because I gotta go through this back alley because I don't know how to U-turn properly yet, and I don't want to risk U-turning and eating shit. So I gotta go through this back alley so I can. So I'm gonna turn left, then turn right, then turn left at the light. I'm a little scared right now because this alley, the fucking terrain is all kinds of fucked up, man. Oh shit, I just fucked up right about there. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Oh, oh, son of a bitch. Oh, that shit hella hurt though. No, I got it. Okay. Well, at least this is practice for picking it up. No, I got it. Let me do it. Hold on. No, let me do it. I need to practice picking it up on myself. Fuck. That was scary as shit. That was scary as shit. The terrain made me jump, and while I jumped, it grabbed this, so I was grabbing the brake. Hold it right there. Hold it. Don't lean it that way. It's okay. There, you can put it down. I'm lucky I was very calm, because if I wouldn't have been calm, I would have crashed. I literally hit the handbrake really fast. It's okay, we're okay. Huh? No, it's okay. I got it. Don't worry. I got it. It was just a mistake, but I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I'm okay. Oh, my ankle does hurt though. Hello? Oh shit, hold up. Hello? No. Go ahead, come in front of me right now. I won't go until you go. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I told you. Yeah. No, it's okay. It's okay. You just wanted to be safe. No, you're good. You're good. I can't let little shit. It's okay, I'll just stay right here. I wouldn't have to flip. I can go, But I don't want to risk hitting a car, so I'd rather just sit here. Okay. Wow, I thought this guy was done. This dude is literally washing his windshield. Are you fucking kidding me right now? No, pues sí, te digo. Yeah. Did I know? It's okay. It happens. Okay. Yeah, pump. You need to know. It's still kind of throwing me off. I don't know if I'm the one like hitting the throttle. I don't feel like I am though. Oh, fucked it up a little bit. Just making sure. But maybe because this one's going back first. And yes, I know I get off. Okay, whatever. I'm little. Yeah.
Check this hop off really quick.
Oh, burritos too, please. And a Gatorade. So, I know you guys are gonna say, why am I putting fast trip gas? Well, why? Is because I talked to them at Ducati, and they were like, well, if you live in poor areas, go to the one that you see the most cars at, because the fuel is fresher and everything. So let's say less people go to Shell, so the gas is there a little bit longer. If that makes sense. So that's basically why they told me to do that. We only pumped $4. Woo. That's why we love bikes. It's full. But yeah, that's why we pump fast drip gas. And we're okay. We didn't damage anything. So I always stick out these the passenger pegs, because they take most of the beating. Oh look, I guess they do something. Hey, I'm pretty sure I scratched this shit. Yep. I need to put them up here too. Son of a gun. But other than that, nothing else. Oh, maybe right here too. Nah, that's fine. What's up? Oh, you guys, my leg definitely does hurt. I know I did some damage. okay. It could have been really bad. Damn, G. I don't think you guys were able to hear that shit, but that shit touched the floor. For fucking sure. Oh shit. That was fun. My girl's probably scared as fuck, talking about, oh my god, the bike went too fast for her again. I'm pretty sure she's probably like, why the fuck? But no, that was on purpose. Little does she know that. My god. You guys know what sucks is being fucking short. Con un cigarrito a gusto se pone. Oh, damn, that was crazy though. It's okay. We're okay. Blessed to say that. I'll catch you guys on the next one though. That was how loud the alarm was, and that was how I ate shit for the 5th time. Probably 4th, but it's okay.